I really gotta stay downstairs if this is gonna keep happening. Oh my god. Holy shit.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for western Champaign County, southeastern DeWitt County, southeastern McLean County, northeastern Macon County, Piatt County, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Argenta and moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing a tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Monticello, Champaign, Weldon, Eland, White Heath, Farmer City, Seymour, Mansfield, Mahomet Lake of the Woods, Savoy, Urbana, Cisco, Lodge, Galesville, Willard Airport, and Bethlehem. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 228 and 239. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 148 and 182. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 158 and 182.
Galesville, Willard Airport, and Foodland. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 228 and 239. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 148 and 182. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 158 and 182. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a view or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now.